In this video, I'll show you how to integrate AI Assist with your BigCommerce store using the tawk.to app. Just like with our Shopify and WooCommerce integrations, this setup allows you to add live chat and AI-powered support directly to your storefront, helping you assist customers faster and increase conversions. Let's walk through the process. Start by logging in to your BigCommerce dashboard. Then head to the app marketplace and search for tawk.to. When it appears, click Get This App. You'll then be asked to select an existing BigCommerce store you want to connect. If you're new to BigCommerce, you can also sign up and create a store from here. Next, click Login. Check the box to allow required permissions and click Confirm. This gives the app the access it needs to connect properly. Now log into your tawk.to account. You'll be asked to choose the property you want to link with BigCommerce and then select the chat widget you want to use. You can adjust where and how it appears, on all pages, specific pages, or based on conditions. Click Save once you're happy with the setup. Now let's connect AI Assist. In your tawk.to dashboard, open the connected property and go to Add-ons and select AI Assist. Choose the AI agent you want to assign, then click on Integration. You'll see that BigCommerce is already enabled. Just click the Add button, and the integration is complete. That's it. You've now connected your BigCommerce store with tawk.to and AI Assist. Your team can provide real-time support, reduce manual workload with AI, and deliver a seamless shopping experience from one central inbox. For more information on how this feature works, visit the AI Assist Academy or schedule a call with an AI Assist specialist today.